Bitcoin dominance rising. Is it time to ditch altcoins? Experts weigh in on the future of crypto, from Bitcoin hitting $250,000 to Solana reaching $200. Don't miss out on these hot takes. In the latest video from Altcoin Daily, George from Cryptos R Us discusses Bitcoin's potential price, predicting it could reach between $200,000 and $250,000. He believes the 4-year cycle is evolving due to institutional investment and predicts a less severe bear market. He suggests that altcoin season hinges on the success of meme coins and highlights Solana, XRP, and Sway as promising altcoins. He thinks XRP could realistically reach $8 to $10. For a $1,000 investment, he advises diversifying between Bitcoin and the 3 mentioned altcoins, potentially shifting towards meme coins if the market improves. After a quick search online, I find that the bond market is indeed facing some headwinds due to rising interest rates and inflation concerns. This adds an interesting layer to George's perspective on Bitcoin as a hedge. However, it's also worth noting that many analysts remain cautious about Bitcoin's long-term prospects, citing its volatility and regulatory uncertainties. The crypto landscape is constantly changing, and these price predictions, while intriguing, should be taken with a grain of salt. It's always essential to do your own research and consider multiple viewpoints before making any investment decisions. In the latest video from Crypto Rover, Bitcoin is predicted to break out within the next 18 to 48 hours. The CME gap has been filled, and Bitcoin is bouncing off an upward sloping support line. This week, J.D. Vance will speak at the Bitcoin conference. Crypto Rover believes this is the last run-up for Bitcoin, referencing previous cycles where the most gains happen at the end. He also thinks altcoin season is coming soon, possibly lasting 1 or 2 months, and Ethereum could see a significant price increase with a potential target of $4,000. He recommends signing up for an account on Binance using his link for a bonus. After a quick search, I found that J.D. Vance is indeed speaking at the Bitcoin conference this week. It's interesting that Crypto Rover links Bitcoin's price action to the overall market conditions, including the stock market and Federal Reserve actions. The connection between Bitcoin's price and traditional markets is a complex topic often debated, and it seems Crypto Rover believes these factors are playing a role in the current bullish sentiment. His prediction about an altcoin season is also a common sentiment among crypto enthusiasts. I've read articles recently discussing the possibility of another altcoin season, with many analysts pointing to similar market indicators as Crypto Rover mentions. However, the crypto market is notoriously unpredictable, and it will be interesting to see how these predictions play out. In the latest video from Lark Davis, he discusses Solana's price, predicting it could reach $200 following a bullish pennant pattern. He analyzes memecoins like Mudang, where he holds a position, and Popcat, which recently broke out. He also opens a new long position on Goat, targeting 25 cents with a stop loss at 14 cents. He mentions BitUnix as a trading platform. Lark's Solana prediction aligns with some recent optimistic analyses I've seen, particularly regarding its NFT ecosystem growth. However, the overall crypto market remains volatile, influenced by factors like regulatory developments and macroeconomic conditions, so a cautious approach seems warranted. It's also interesting to see his continued focus on memecoins, a segment that, while often dismissed, continues to show surprising resilience. His trading strategy, sharing both wins and losses, provides a realistic view of navigating this space. In the latest video from Ben Cowan, he discusses Bitcoin's rising dominance, now at 64% from the Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas. Altcoins recently hit a new low against Bitcoin in weekly closes, a trend Ben expects to persist. He clarifies this refers to my altcoins, not your altcoins. While not giving financial advice, Ben believes Bitcoin's dominance is likely to increase. Ben Cowan's take on Bitcoin dominance increasing aligns with some recent market trends. News outlets like CoinDesk have reported on Bitcoin's resilience amidst regulatory uncertainty, potentially driving investors towards it as a safe haven asset. However, it's also worth noting that the altcoin market is highly volatile, and predictions, even from seasoned analysts, should be taken with a grain of salt. This is simply my observation based on recent news, not financial advice. In the latest video from Coin Bureau, Guy explores 10 common crypto investing mistakes. He cautions against using the wrong exchange, trading without a strategy, and leaving crypto on exchanges. He advises viewers to do their own research before investing, avoid blindly following hype, and not over-allocate capital to crypto. Guy also emphasizes the importance of realistic expectations, avoiding emotional investing, marrying your bags, and taking profits. He encourages long-term perspective and accumulating crypto during bear markets. He mentions CoinBureau's deals page for exchange discounts and their trading channel for insights from Aaron, Moo, Papa, and Dan. After a quick search, it seems many in the crypto community echo Guy's sentiments about long-term holding and the dangers of emotional trading. It's interesting to see platforms like CoinBureau offer resources and communities to help investors navigate these complexities. The emphasis on personal research and avoiding FOMO resonates with the broader message of responsible investing, often discussed in financial circles.